Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we're diving deep into BigBear.ai Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.86. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. This stock has broken through the very wide and falling short-term trend upward. Initially, a slower rate of decline is indicated, but this may well be an early signal of a shift in trend. During any reaction, support will be found at the roof of the current trend, which is $3, a level that may present a second opportunity for a significant gain. According to FAM theory, $4.69 will be the next possible peak level for the trend, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 62.85% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 85.04% to 65.73%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 51.72%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 20.40% to 395.95% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.91 and $16.12. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings highlights a strong performance, with the stock price rising 6.56% on Thursday to $3.25. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, the stock price climbed from $3.05 to $3.25. Throughout the day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.81%, with a low of $3.10 and a high of $3.28. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 11.68%. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day along with the price, indicating a positive technical signal, with 9 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 54 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $174,120,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price is 68.6% or $7.10 below the 52-week high, and 79.84% or $12.87 below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. BigBear.ai Holdings, known by its ticker symbol BBAI, is currently navigating significant legal obstacles as a class action lawsuit has been initiated against the company and certain officers for alleged breaches of federal securities laws. This announcement comes at a time of increased scrutiny from investors and with a deadline for affected shareholders to join the action by June 10, 2025. While there is a possibility for recovery, the lawsuit may undermine investor confidence, particularly in the near term. In spite of these difficulties, BBAI stock has demonstrated some resilience, recently increasing by approximately 5%. This uptick is partly attributed to its strategic partnership with Hardy Dynamics for a project with the U.S. Army. This collaboration positions BigBear within a burgeoning sector that combines artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies for defense applications, potentially paving the way for future contracts. In the near term, the ongoing legal matters may result in fluctuations in BBAI stock price as investors respond to the evolving news. However, should the company successfully navigate these legal hurdles and continue to secure contracts and partnerships. It may find stability and even prosper in the long term. Careful consideration of these factors will be essential for both current and prospective investors as they evaluate BBAI's market trajectory. Analyst Ratings. On the 30th of December 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned a buy grade to BBAI along with a hold action. On the 15th of October 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright also assigned a buy grade to BBAI with a hold action. Analysts have assigned BigBear.ai Holdings stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts categorize the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal suggested by the relationship between the two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be any downward corrections, support levels are situated at $3.24 and $3.02. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. It is noteworthy that trading volume is increasing along with the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, April 29, 2025, and the stock has since experienced a decline of 9.22%. Further decreases are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, I signal, pivots, sell signal 8 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal 122 days ago, short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 9 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 32 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $3.04 and $2.97. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, BigBear.ai Holdings finds support just below today's level at $3.04. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $2.97 and $2.57. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be of very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by 180 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 5.81%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.33%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and could indicate possible bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts have a consensus estimate of -6 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.34. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $3.04. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 5th of May, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of May, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted another insider sale of 9,515 shares of common stock. On the 8th of April, 2025, Pangium Ultimate Holdings LLC conducted an insider sale of 27,430,402 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Ricker Sean Raymond conducted an insider purchase of 125,284 shares of common stock. On the 1st of April, 2025, Blankenship Carolyn conducted an insider purchase of 151,442 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 96.071. In total, insiders purchased 2,525,089 shares and sold 144,659,208 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? BigBear.ai Holdings currently presents several negative signals, indicating that it may continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will open lower by 4 cents, starting at $3.21. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.